Today I'm going to explain why these are some of my favorite head covers. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked these up there by Craftsman Golf, and I've actually shown you Craftsman Golf head covers in the past, and I've loved them so much that I picked up this set because they are absolutely awesome, and they are a great deal. So this is, I think, like a PU leather. It's got a really soft, luxurious feel. I could just rub my whole body with this all the time. So these are kind of your traditional paddle style head covers. We've got these kind of racing stripes down here, Craftsman Golf down here. It's obviously in black with the black embroidery there. It's pretty subtle, sinister. I like the big embroidered one down here because this is your driver head cover. Now, if you feel like you are a lucky American, well, then maybe you need the 4-leaf clover American flag right here embroidered up on the top there. Show your patriot pride. I'm always trying to show it on the golf course, show that I'm ready for that Ryder Cup. And then underneath here, we have some elastic that holds it on. Now, I will say that these go on super easily, come off and on super easily. I know some of them are a little tight, but this is about as big of a driver head as you'll ever have, this TaylorMade Sim 2. And it's just super smooth. One of the reasons is that they make them with plenty of space, but also this beautiful, soft, plush fleece lining on there means that they go on smooth. They're not going to scratch up your clubs. Your clubs are going to be treated the way they deserve. And obviously, then fills out that logo and looks pretty good. Now, the other thing I want to show you here is that they make head covers for your whole range here. So same style, but this says F as in Fairway wood because this is on my Fairway wood here. And again, just super easy to get on and off. And yet you don't have to buy the specific embroidered one because they come with the little rotating tag here. So I can choose whatever club I am using. So you don't have to buy like the 5 and the 3 and then worry that, oh, I don't have the 4 or whatever it is. So you can get that. And then they also make the same thing for hybrids here. So H for hybrid or hello. And again, the same style, but fits right on there for your hybrids, just a little smaller than the Fairway woods. But then the club I use the most and always want to dress up to is my Lab Golf putter here. And as you can see, it is a blade style putter, and this matching head cover, it's actually got 2 Clover logos on it, is absolutely da bomb. We got that racing stripe strip right on the middle here, obviously magnetic on the back here, so it closes up, holds it in place, that soft fleece lining in there. But man, these are just great, and I love them because they work great. They slip on easily. You're not getting frustrated on the golf course trying to get them on or off. The materials seem super premium, and they are affordable. So if you were looking for a set of stylish premium head covers so that you can enjoy your golf game a little bit more and you don't want to break the bank, I would definitely check out Craftsman Golf. They are awesome, and I will put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.